Baking soda is present in every home kitchen and is often used in food preparation. But did you know that this white powder can be used to make the person attractive, get rid of foot odor and clean hair? Can also be used for we tell you about some of the benefits of baking soda. Hair cleaning. Hair often accumulates dirt that is not completely cleaned even after washing, for which baking soda is a convenient solution. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to your shampoo, then wash your head as usual. You will find your hair cleaner, shinier and easier to style than before. Facial cleansing. Mix 1 spoon of baking soda with 1 spoon of raw honey. Massage this mixture gently on the face and leave it for 2 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Baking soda is the cheapest way to get rid of nail pimples. Mix it with water to make a thick paste, then use a cotton swab or Q-tip to apply the paste on the nail pimples and leave it overnight. Get rid of foot odor. If your feet are smelly or your toes ache due to fatigue, put your feet in a bowl of cold water and sprinkle some baking soda on them and let them soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash and dry the feet. This will also remove the smell of the feet, and if there is pain in the feet, it will also reduce its intensity.